Woodworking is a fulfilling and creative hobby that can also be transformed into a lucrative business. One of the best aspects of woodworking is the ability to use leftover materials creatively. Leftover wood, often seen as scrap, can be repurposed into unique and marketable items, allowing woodworkers to minimize waste while maximizing profit. To begin, consider the concept of upcycling. Upcycling is the process of transforming discarded materials into new products of higher quality or value. In woodworking, this means taking leftover wood from larger projects and turning it into something beautiful and functional. One popular upcycling project is creating wooden coasters. Coasters are simple to make and can be sold in sets, making them appealing to customers. Using leftover wood, cut the pieces into squares or circles, sand the edges smooth, and finish them with a protective coating. You can personalize coasters by adding designs, logos, or even quotes, tapping into a market for custom gifts. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of unique leftover wood project ideas and other woodworking project ideas you can make for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another excellent project is making wooden signs. These can range from decorative home signs to functional pieces for businesses. Using scraps of wood, you can create signs that feature inspirational quotes, family names, or directional indicators. The process involves cutting the wood to size, sanding it down, and then painting or staining the surface. You can use stencils or freehand designs, depending on your artistic ability. Signs are highly marketable, especially if they tap into popular trends or local interests. Picture frames are another versatile project that can be made from leftover wood. Frames can vary in size and design, allowing for creativity in construction. Using scrap wood, you can create rustic or modern frames by cutting the wood at angles to form the corners. After assembling the frames, sand them and apply a finish to enhance their appearance. Offering a range of styles can attract different customer demographics, from those looking for elegant designs to those who prefer a more rustic aesthetic. If you have a knack for creativity, consider making wooden jewelry or display stands. These can be simple or elaborate, depending on your skills and available materials. Using leftover wood, you can create rings, earrings, or necklace holders that are both functional and visually appealing. These items are often sought after as gifts, making them an attractive product for profit. Personalizing these stands with engravings or colors can further enhance their marketability. Another engaging project is crafting plant holders or terrariums. Using scrap wood, you can create stylish holders for indoor plants or small gardens. This can include simple boxes or more intricate designs that incorporate multiple levels or sections for different plants. Given the rising interest in indoor gardening and plant care, these items are likely to attract buyers looking to enhance their home decor with greenery. Adding a protective finish to the wood ensures durability, making them even more appealing. Wooden toys are a charming option for utilizing leftover wood. Simple designs like building blocks, puzzles, or pull-along toys can be crafted from various wood scraps. These projects allow for creativity and can be marketed to parents looking for durable, safe toys for their children. Ensuring that the wood is sanded smooth and free of sharp edges is essential for safety. Adding non-toxic finishes can also increase the appeal of these products. For those interested in creating functional items, consider making key holders or organizers. These projects can be crafted from small pieces of wood and can incorporate hooks or compartments for storing keys, mail, or other small items. By personalizing these organizers with names or custom designs, you can attract customers looking for unique home decor. The practicality of these items makes them excellent choices for gifts or personal use. Wall art made from leftover wood can also be a profitable venture. Utilizing various wood scraps, you can create unique pieces of art that can be hung in homes or offices. This can include abstract designs, geometric patterns, or nature-inspired scenes. The process of assembling the pieces can be a creative outlet, allowing you to experiment with different colors and finishes. Selling these pieces at craft fairs or online can attract buyers looking for one-of-a-kind decor items. A popular trend in home decor is creating rustic furniture pieces. Using leftover wood, you can craft small items such as stools, side tables, or benches. These projects can be straightforward in design, focusing on the natural beauty of the wood. Sanding and finishing the surfaces can help highlight the grain and texture, appealing to customers interested in handmade furniture. Offering a range of sizes and styles can help cater to different tastes and preferences. Birdhouses are another delightful project that can be made from leftover wood. These can range from simple designs to more elaborate structures, appealing to both bird enthusiasts and casual buyers. When creating birdhouses, consider incorporating unique features like decorative elements or different shapes. These items not only provide a functional purpose, but also serve as charming garden decorations. Selling birdhouses at local markets or online can attract buyers looking to enhance their outdoor spaces. If you're interested in creating items for the kitchen, consider making cutting boards or serving trays. These can be crafted from hardwood scraps, providing a durable and functional product. The process involves cutting the wood to size, sanding it down, and applying a food-safe finish. Personalizing cutting boards with engravings or unique designs can increase their appeal as gifts or wedding presents. These kitchen items are always in demand and can yield a good profit margin. In addition to these projects, consider offering woodworking classes or workshops for those interested in learning the craft. Sharing your skills and knowledge can create a community of woodworking enthusiasts while providing an additional source of income. You can use leftover materials for projects during the classes, allowing participants to create their items while minimizing waste. This approach fosters creativity and encourages others to appreciate the beauty of woodworking. As you explore these various project ideas, remember the importance of marketing your products effectively. Establishing an online presence through social media and e-commerce platforms can help you reach a broader audience. High-quality photographs showcasing your work from different angles are essential for attracting potential buyers. Writing engaging product descriptions that highlight the craftsmanship and unique aspects of each item can entice customers to make a purchase. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked unique leftover wood project ideas and other woodworking project ideas you can make for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.